Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block emails in Gmail. Blocking a sender prevents future emails from that address from appearing in your inbox by automatically sending them to your spam folder. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Next, open an email from the sender you want to block. Once the email is open, click the More icon, represented by the three dots in the top right corner of the email. From the drop-down menu, select Block, followed by the sender's name or email address. A confirmation window will appear. Click Block to confirm your choice. From now on, any new emails from that sender will automatically be sent to your spam folder. If you ever want to unblock the sender, open one of their emails in your spam folder. Click the three-dot menu again. Then select Unblock followed by the sender's name. You can also manage blocked addresses by clicking the Settings gear icon, then See All Settings. Go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab to view or remove blocked senders. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to block emails in Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Google Workspace tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.